Alright, so I'm just going to talk you through a unit or a set of activities that I will be using for remote and online learning. Personally, I'm a secondary school English teacher. And so basically for this unit, we're looking at language analysis. And to be able to do language analysis, there's a certain amount of just basic things that you need to know. We call them persuasive techniques. And those are kind of the direct instruction chunks that just need to be covered, need to be understood, and need to be almost memorized to the point of automaticity. So for that, there's a video that I use. It has all of the techniques, and students just do a simple sort of note-taking exercise on that. And I'll change it up in a whole range of different ways depending on the year level and how many of these chunks of information they need to know. But there's the direct instruction that they need to do. And then rather than, because that's all been done externally to me, I don't need to kind of PowerPoint deliver it or anything like that, then the focus of the unit becomes applying that knowledge. So to test for automaticity, what we're doing is we're using a gamified exercise where the students are watching a speech of Donald Trump or Hillary Clinton or a whole range of different people. And they have a bingo board in front of them, so this is the gamified element, and their task is to watch short sections of the speech and just decide which is which. So a short section will be provided and they are to, for example, note that that's a rhetorical question and circle that on their bingo board, and then if that's incorrect, then that one stays open and they cross out the option that was actually the example that they just watched. So the purpose of this is that I'm trying to trigger what kind of is referred to as their error alarm, to make them aware of things that they may have gotten wrong. So we'll do some Kahoot quizzes as well, or get them to step that through themselves individually. You're just trying to make them aware of where their shortcomings or their lack of knowledge or their misconceptions may lie. And the whole point of that, of course, is that they're doing it away from me without my direct instruction or direct feedback being required. So that's a real simple series of activities that are around a common theme that can be done almost without me doing anything at all.